Hey everyone, want to clear your browsing history in Microsoft Edge? Clearing your browsing history can help protect your privacy, remove records of the websites you've visited, and keep your browser organized. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to clear your browsing history in Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser, then select Settings. Next, click Privacy, Search, and Services from the menu on the left. Scroll down until you find the Clear Browsing Data section. Now click Choose what to clear. A window will appear where you can select exactly which types of browsing data you want to remove. Choose your preferred time range, then check Browsing History. If you only want to delete your browsing history, leave the other options unchecked. If you'd also like to remove cookies, cached files, or download history, you can select those as well. Once you've made your selections, click Clear Now. Microsoft Edge will delete your browsing history, and the process usually takes just a few seconds. After your browsing history has been cleared, open the browser history to confirm that the selected records have been removed. Depending on the time range you chose, older entries may no longer appear. For the best experience, clear your browsing history regularly if you use a shared computer. Avoid deleting saved passwords unless necessary. Use in-private browsing for temporary sessions. And keep Microsoft Edge updated with the latest security improvements. These simple habits can help protect your privacy, and that's how to clear your browsing history in Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're protecting your privacy, organizing your browser, or removing old browsing records, it's a quick and easy process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.